Okay, when a tree gets in your way and the tree jumps out in front of your car, then you don't get your local body shop. You get your local plumber, and you get your local tile man, and you get your local electrician, and you get your local, and then what? That is so cool. That is so cool. Who would ever thought of that? Who would have thought that? That tree shouldn't have jumped out, first of all. You know? It was the tree's fault, not mine. That is wild. And because cars are made of plastic today, seriously, they are made of plastic. Tupperware. It's like we're driving around in $80,000 Tupperware. $80,000 Tupperware. Yep. Yep. That is crazy. That's crazy. Look at that. It's a Tupperware car. It's an 80 grand Tupperware car. Thank you, General Motors. Of course, we do love our Suburban, so I'm not going to complain too bad. But yeah, this is what you do. Yeah. That's crazy. Scotty, look at that. It's a Tupperware car. Oh my gosh, I'm driving Tupperware. No, it's Rubbermaid. Oh my God, look at that. That is amazing. Holy crap. That is a Tupperware car. Oh my God. That is wild. Who would have ever thunk it? Who would have ever thunk it? That is so crazy. I'll have to cook more blackberry cobbler and bring to y'all. Peach cobbler. And it'll have to be steaks next time. That is crazy. Yeah, but just look at the difference it made. Yeah, that is wild. That is absolutely wild. Been worrying me to death. Yeah, I see. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, Scotty the man. Oh no, now you're not a house flipper, you're a car fixer. Look at that. You are crazy. Oh my gosh, this is like exciting. This is like super exciting. Oh my God.
All right.
That is unreal. Unreal. So when you finish flipping this house, you want to start working on cars? I'll go buy a bunch of junk cars. Yeah. That is so cool.